We're working on a V12 bi-turbo engine, and we're going to take the heads. There is a blown head gasket. We're going to take the heads out, but something that I wanted to show and explain about, if you already do this job, there is something in the middle of the engine. It's the oil cooler. It's like right there, and some of the bolts are under the intake part of the heads. And the only way to get to this oil cooler is to remove the heads. So if you ever do the V12 engine and you take the heads out, change the oil cooler at the same time, it's going to save you a lot of headache in the future. And if you do that, it's good for about 8 years. So you got to take in consideration that every 8 to 10 years you might have to replace the oil cooler. By the way, the timing is not completely clear, but usually what I would do, put it in 30 degrees, mark the camshafts and the timing chain, and then put everything back in the same position. So just a heads up, keep you guys with the knowledge you need to do these jobs.